Hello parents, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all the latest syllabus of LKG section. So with the help of this syllabus, you can teach your kids at home easily. So let's get started. First, in English subject, you can teach your kids pre-writing strokes like standing lines, sleeping lines, slanting lines, in that left slanting, right slanting, then curves, left curve, right curve, up curve, down curve. All these pre-writing strokes you can teach your kids. Then comes the letters. A to Z capital letters, in that identification. For the identification, as I told earlier, you can use the flashcards. With the help of flashcards, you can teach your kids to identify the letters easily. And once they learn to identify the letters, teach them to write the letters. You can start with the first four letters. Then once they are thorough with the four letters, then move on to the next four letters. Like this, you can teach them. Then next comes the objects related to each letter. Like some objects, draw some objects like apple, ball, cat, like this, and in the opposite side write the letter. So they have to match the apple with the letter A, ball with the letter B. Like these worksheets you can give them to teach the topic objects related to each letter. Next is small letters A to Z. Here also you have to teach them to identify the small letters with the help of flashcards. So once they are able to identify the letters, then you can teach them to write the letters. Before teaching them to write the letters, the child has to be thorough with the loops and curves. So once they are thorough with the loops and curves, it would be easier for them to write the small letters very easily. Then next comes the objects related to each other. Here also same, you can draw some objects at one side and write the letters on the other side, and ask your child to match them, like apple with the letter A, ball with the letter B, like this. Then matching capital and small letters. At one side write the capital letters and other side write the small letters. Shuffle and write the small letters. Then ask your child to match them. Match the capital letter with the small letter. Then vowels and consonants. Here you have to teach them the concept of vowels and consonants. Vowels are, there are 5 vowels in English, like A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. So this topic you have to teach them. On this topic I will make a separate video, so you can check that video. Then next comes the phonic drill. Phonic drill means there is a particular sound for a particular letter. Like the sound of letter A is A, B is B, like this. This sound you have to teach your kids very well. Next comes the vowel words, CVC words. Like CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. And for example, P is consonant and N is consonant. In between P and N, if I put the vowel like I is vowel, here it will become a word like pin. So these types of words you have to teach. Then next comes the rhyming words. You have to teach your kids rhyming words to improve their listening skills. Rhyming words means the ending sound of the words are same. Like 10, hen, bun, sun, like this. These types of words are called rhyming words. Then next comes the opposites. You have to teach your kids at least 20 opposites. So this is all about the English syllabus. Now let's move on to the math syllabus. In maths, first you have to teach your kids pre-math concepts like same, different, big, small, tall, short, more, less. For these types of books will be available in the market. You can use them to teach your kids, or else you can prepare these types of DIY worksheets to teach your kids on the pre-math concepts. This is heavy and light, and next is this is more or less. So like these types of worksheets you can prepare. Next comes the numbers 1 to 50. You can teach your kids 1 to 50 numbers. First teach them to identify the numbers, and once they are able to identify the numbers, you can teach them to write the numbers. Then next comes the count and match with quantities. For this topic you can prepare some worksheets on count and match. Then similarly you can prepare worksheets on count and write, count and take, count and circle. These types of worksheets you can prepare, and also count and color. Then next comes the before, after and between numbers. So you have to teach your kids before, after and between numbers 1 to 10. You can take 1 to 10 numbers to teach this topic. Then number names 1 to 10 you have to teach them, like ONE1, TWO2, like this you have to teach them. Then complete the pattern. Complete the pattern means star, square, star, square. Then next comes what? Star. Like this you have to teach them. Then join the dots, missing numbers. Join the dots means there will be a image, incomplete image, and there will be given some numbers. So child has to connect the dots, join the dots to complete that image. So these types of worksheets you can prepare. Then missing numbers. Missing numbers means 1, 2, then 3 is missing, 4 will be written, 5 is missing, 6 will be written. So which number is missing, that number they have to write there. So these types of worksheets you can prepare. Next is zero activity. You can clear them the topic of zero activity. Then next is the topic on fruits and vegetables. So nowadays schools are not open. You can prepare this type of activities at your home and make practice on your kids. Take some fruits and vegetables and ask your kids to count them, and prepare some environment like market, and play this type of game with your child. Then next comes the shapes. In shapes you can teach circle, square, rectangle, triangle, semicircle, oval. These types of shapes you can teach them. Then next comes the colors: red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple, black, white, pink. These types of colors you can teach them to identify the colors. So this is all about the math syllabus. Now let's move on to the general awareness syllabus. Next is general awareness. In general awareness you can teach your kids about myself, my body parts, my family, my birthday, my home, my school. So prepare some worksheets on these topics and make the concept clear. Next is about safety. At home what type of safety we should be follow, then on road what type of safety we should follow, same at playground, my school. So on this topic you can teach them about safety. Then people who help us, like doctor, teacher. How does doctor help us? How does teacher help us? How does policeman help us? Similarly postman, carpenter, farmer. So you can teach the importance of these people. Next is about the topic of transport. So you have to teach them road transport, rail transport, air transport. Then next comes the seasons: summer, winter, rainy. These three types of seasons you have to teach them. Then next comes the animals: wild animals, domestic animals, water animals. So this is about the general awareness syllabus. Now let's move on to the environmental science syllabus. In EVS you can teach your kids common objects with missing parts. To clear this concept you can prepare these types of worksheets. For example, you can see here I have taken example of coffee mug. So the objects are same but one part is missing. You can see here the one part is missing, which is that the handle is missing. So your child has to identify that object. So like this prepare worksheets and make the concept clear. Next explain them about the body parts and organs. Then teach them about the good habits and manners. Then next is spreading awareness about the environment, like importance of trees, why trees are important, why we should plant trees. Like this you can teach them. Next is understanding the concept of time, and along with teaching the time, you can also explain weeks, months, and year. So this is all about the EVS syllabus. Now let's move on to the Hindi syllabus. In Hindi, you can teach them to write the strokes, like these types of strokes, then swar, a se aha tak. Then you can prepare some worksheets on identifying the letters, then सही स्वर के साथ मिलाओ, like matching worksheets, then सही अक्षरों के साथ मिलाओ, these types of worksheets. Then रिक्त स्थान भरो, filling the blanks, so these types of worksheets you can prepare. Then next is Vyanjan you can teach them to identify, read and write. Then next you can prepare worksheets on व्यंजन, like चित्र पहचान का सही वर्ण पर गोला करो, then मिलाओ, matching. Then गिनती 1 to 10 counting you can teach them. Then 8 to 10 poems you can teach. Then 4 to 5 stories you can teach them. So this is about the LKG syllabus. I hope you like the video. In upcoming days, I will be preparing worksheets on these syllabus. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you.